It involves a trailer, so that should be fun. What's in the trailer? It's green. It has a beacon.
A beacon? Just what we need.
And then they bring a sweeper for you to
Try it. Trying it.
Yeah, well, you know how that goes with you and floor scrubbers.
The machines are replacing us.
Yep.
No more brooming. We can sell
Throw the brooms away.
Yeah.
Look at the brooms on the front.
When is too much, too much.
Whoa! Some pressure there.
Yeah.
How many gallons does something like this hold?
40 dirt, well 39 dirt or clean and 40 dirty. So, good.
Look at the batteries. Look at the serviceability here, guys.
Yeah.
Catch pan just
Yeah,
like
it's a
you.
catch pan.
Hold on.
That's where all your debris goes. It washes it, so you just end up with little pebbles.
Yeah.
It
So
sweeps it
then,
up into here. It's got drainage.
so how about up here with the bigger debris now? Where's that
That's
go?
all goes in here.
Oh, that all goes in there too?
Yep.
These go this way.
Yeah.
Brings it all into the middle.
It's spring loaded for when you hit
So you know, most of your
Not
dirty
if,
spots,
when.
after you wash them. So your first setting, it'll
Automatically
So-
drop this.
Is it taking off?
It has a down pressure for the brush, it has a vacuum pressure and water, an amount of water. So you light clean on one, and on two it increases the down pressure in the water.
And the water?
Yep. And then on three is your heavy cleaning. So there's you go to like 80% of the pressure on three, only 20% on one.
So you can't, I think on Martin over there, you can increase the water, but not the down pressure of the
It's like buying a
brush.
house.
Here you
can,
it all
yeah.
goes together.
Yeah.
Got
So
questions.
Got a cruise control.
yeah. so you push the foot pedal down all the way, so it goes so fast, but you can turn it up a little too.
There we go.
So,
Where's the globe, the satellite receiver mount?
well, we're gonna hook that up.
That's clean.
He actually licks his finger. Do you think it'll go over this? This dirt? This is normally stuff that we sweep up or clean. We'll see what happens here.
That machine's gonna put Brody out of a job.
Wow.
You're outside.
Brody's looking for job service. It's like,
The machines are replacing us.
Yep.
No more brooming. We can sell
Throw the brooms away.
Yeah.
We hauled the
Y'all get on
Get
her.
on there.
Well, you know what happens then.
You know what happens then.
Pull the cap off for him.
He's got to have the beacon.
Well, I'm gonna have to go really slow to keep this job as long as I can.
Push down on that lever.
Why, what happened?
Don't run into anything now.
What's it do to a Toyota? Why is there always something just a little bit nicer than a guy has? It's not fair.
This is a lot bit nicer than Martin.
Let's see if I can get up into the wall and dent some tin here.
Look out! That's pretty sweet. He could have gotten closer. We could have gotten closer. This ain't gonna be good for him.
No.
This is how. Go faster, full speed. This is a little wider than Martin too, I think. they bring it out here just so they do it. This is not going to be good. I know what's going to happen. This is the high-speed unit.
Well, I guess they said faster, faster. Maybe we got to get Eric on here. I don't know. They can go home now. I'm good. I don't know. I just feel out of control if I go faster.
There's about
Oh, excuse me. Now I turned it. You'll notice it'll start leaving the grab marks on the squeegee, you know, you do some, you know.
If you're over driving
Yeah.
conditions, you start screeching.
Yeah, right. Yeah.
So it's doing a good job at this speed. Let them do it.
Looks like it is. Here's a good test. Go really fast over this dirt.
I'm thinking like the trend.
It's actually doing a really good job.
Wada?
That's actually very impressive. Well, I'm not gonna lie, that was actually 100% unexpected purchase. But it's pretty sweet.